Hello beautiful people, thank you for coming on Epossi Din's kitchen once more. On today's video we're going to be doing this delicious ketchup by ourselves, homemade ketchup. Okay, you can see, really delicious, and we have this right that will last us for at least 3 months in the fridge without getting bad. You can see the ketchup. Oh my god, how beautiful it looks with some fries. I'm gonna have a taste. You can see. Another. Oh my god. So if you actually want to know how I made this, do well to follow me to my kitchen, and we're going to have this ketchup sauce at your disposal. You'll be able to make it by yourself in your home, and it will last you for 3 good months. So welcome to the kitchen. So guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to do homemade ketchup like I said. Okay, so we are going to chop the tomatoes. After cleaning them, we're going to chop them into not too like little quantities, right? Just to like remove everything into 4, into 8, into 3. Just reducing the sizes, chopping them off. We're going to put them into a pressure pot. We have here. We're going to put it into a pressure pot. Keep slicing. So actually what happened is I had a lot of tomatoes in the house, and I'm like, okay, what am I going to do with this? What am I going to do with these tomatoes? And something just came up. Why not make homemade ketchup? And I decided to share it with you. So we are done with tomatoes. Okay, already have these. We are done with our tomatoes. We're going to put it directly on the stove. I already had my stove turned on, so we're going to put it directly on the stove, and we'll add some water. About a cup, and let it boil for 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so guys, we're going to turn off our stove, and we're going to let the pressure in a pot reduce, and we'll start blending with a hand blender. So after the pressure must have reduced, okay, you can see it's still a little bit hot. We're going to blend in. If you're using the hand blender, there is no problem. Why it's still hot? But if you're going to use a normal blender or a mixer or food processor, wait until it's all cold, okay, before blending. I'm gonna blend right now to paste. Okay guys, so after blending, you're gonna have a paste like this. Okay, so what will happen is we're going to sieve it. Okay, if you have a time with a clean kitchen cloth, we're gonna sieve it using a clean kitchen cloth. If you have a fine niche or your sieve has tiny holes, that fine type, you can actually use it. But since I don't have it, I'm gonna use this clean kitchen cloth to sterilize my sieve. Okay, so while sieving, I noticed I needed a bigger pot. So because it really started getting really messy. If you can look around the side of the pot, right, it really got messy. So I had to change in the process. Yep. So practically, we want to move with the chaffs, right? I don't know if you can see, but I guess you can see the chaff. There's the skin of the tomatoes. Okay, I guess you can see it. This is what we want to remove. You can see the skin of the tomatoes, the seeds, everything. This is practically what you want to take away from your paste, you see. So actually, we're going to transfer it to another pot right now. We are done. Okay, so you can see the smoothness. Okay, I did it again the second time. So we're going to transfer it here. We're going to transfer it there. Oh my god, the spatula one went crazy. Oh, okay. You can see it's all clean, right? And really, approximately everything smooth. We're gonna put it on our stove. And we start stirring. Let it to boil, we let it to cook. Leave it to boil and it cooks. Okay, we'll be stirring it once in a while. So you see it's still very watery, so we have to leave it cook and get dry completely. And we're gonna do a test before adding any other ingredients, so stay tuned as it actually thickens. So guys, you can see our puree is halfway gone. Okay, so I'm gonna add brown sugar. Yes, traditionally they use white sugar, but to make it healthier, I'm gonna use brown sugar, considering the fact we are doing it at home. Okay, I'm gonna pour in some vinegar. And some chili pepper to make it a little bit spicier. Remember, I love spicy food. And as last ingredient, we're going to add some salt. Okay, yes, this salt is to reduce the sweetness and the tanginess of the vinegar. So we're going to stir and let it to continue cooking till the end. Let it to boil and boil. Guys, here is a ketchup. Okay, so like I said, we're going to do a test, okay, to see if it's fine. It's dry, everything is okay. So you actually put some ketchup and you do this. I don't know if you can see, you do this to see if there's any drain of water. As you can see, it's really dry. So there's no drain of water. You can see it's really dry. You do this. So our ketchup is ready. We're going to transfer it into our bottles. Using a funnel, if you have one,